Okay, what do we have today?
There's no better piece of equipment for measuring gaps than GAPS, GAPS, which stands for General Aerospace Proximity Sensors from Honeywell. Now, I wonder if that pun was intentional. Anyway, Honeywell's aerospace proximity sensors are designed to sense the presence or absence of a target. They're hermetically sealed, can operate up to 115 degrees Celsius, and can withstand up to 20 Gs of vibration and 40 Gs of shock. They also feature an integrated health monitoring capability that uses a third output to indicate the sensor's health for reduced maintenance time and cost. They're cylindrical in form and can have threaded or flanged connectors with inline or right angle configurations. GAPS can sense up to 3.5 millimeters with 4 different ranges to choose from. Honeywell also offers the HAPS harsh application proximity sensors for harsh duty aircraft applications that are able to sense up to 4 millimeters with 6 different ranges.